We're ready talaga. Dito na lang po, para may gagayahin ng ating mga queens. Ayan. Sino po? Ariel? Ariel! Go na, sir. Para magaya na nila ang iyong dancer. Okay. Okay na, lobby lang nahiya. Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Universe Philippines 2025, together with our brand owners, Sir Leo and Sir Jeff. Woohoo! Kaya kung hindi nyo ba natitikman ng Gluta Lipo, matitikman nyo na rin ang magic ika nga ni Miss Chelsea.
Chelsea! Chelsea!
Kompleto naman pala ng top 6.
Ay, ito naman pala si Katrina at si Gabi. Patawa si Chelsea.
After this photo, ladies, kindly put down your Gluta Lipo.
Closer, Chelsea.
And next, Gluta Lipo team, please get ready.
Chelsea, Michael.
Alam ba ni Jeter yan?
Wala, signing off lang ha.
Oh my gosh.
Yes!
Sobrang happy pride.
Happy talaga.
Heart naman.
Alright.
In fairness.
Smile, everybody.
Oh, here, official photo siya.
Later on, followed by Empire PH team. Isama natin.
Sorry, thank you. Yan.
Later on with our media friends. Together with our Miss Universe Philippines queens.
Yun, may ilaw. Thank you. Thank you sa nag-provide ng
Yana.
ilaw.
Ayoko na nga siya.
Maganda pala kayo in person. Maganda in person, oh.
Asa si Raven? Raven!